appearance in your video. Will you unlock it for me?
You can make a guest appearance in my video. What's up, YouTube fam? Don't forget to like and subscribe. And this video is sponsored by... Ugh, can you imagine? I'm so over that world. I mean, I love when I have a sponsor. It's nice. It's nice to have a sponsor sometimes. But I'm just glad I'm not on that grind. Aren't you? Aren't you glad I am not on that grind so that I don't have to bug you with that stuff? I bothered my friend Kerry today and I said, hey, let's go to York Beach, Maine. I want to get some shots by the water. And so we shot up there because she's rediscovered Pokemon Go. And I said, great, come with. You can catch Squirtles or whatever you do. And I will accost strangers to get photographs. So that's kind of what we did. Morning, how are you doing?
All right.
Take a picture of you and this attractive animal. Oh, hang on. This camera lens is so huge. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
It's the wrong one for today. There we go. How's everything?
That's a high-tech camera, ain't it?
This is it's like, it tries to pretend to look like an old-timey film camera.
Right.
This lens, this is so cheap. It's like a Chinese lens, but like look how close everything looks. So.
Oh my God.
And I can't pull it back. You know how a lot of cameras have zoom like on your phone?
Exactly.
So I can't see anything. It's not so bad. It's a little old by now. It's about 5 years old.
It worked.
That's right. If it can shoot.
Right. Have a good one.
Hey, you take care.
All right, you too.
I don't remember if I mentioned. Did I say that Kerry shot a few of these? Because I'm going to put that on the little stamps. But Kerry shot a few with her iPhone in between Pokemon Go stuff. I didn't record as many of the interactions. Like usually I like to have you along with me and get the cuts or whatever. But I was having a few things going on. One was I ended up having this very long conversation or two that I didn't mean to have with some people that I had taken photos with. And then two, it was raining and I started to kind of realize like, I was starting to kind of panic about like, I know my gear is somewhat water resistant, but I don't know how water resistant. So it turned back on again when I got it back in the car. So I guess it's fine for now, but it was fun. So I hope you at least get to enjoy the pictures. Morning.
Really today. I just told our cooking.
One last thing, it would mean so much to me if you've watched this video to just leave a comment or a like or something. That sounds like those YouTube guys too. But the difference is, I'm really starting to think maybe I should just keep this all to myself. And so if you're enjoying it, let me know. And if you're not, then whatever, it's fine. But just let me know, because I'm just enjoying this stuff for me, and I don't know that if I have to share it. But if you're enjoying it, let me know. I always appreciate that. See you later, video walk fam.